Ubak Prestone tensong usembut Menteri Rangba Kajella uberi kemi ia ketanat kampok yeng bad District Council Affairs haba pentip ia kejinglong jingman hari lum garo na kejing kenat snam kebelam mi na kejing pakhang ia ki bar jala na kabaya shimbentah ke election MDC la Kyntu ia ki nongsong snong kari lum garo ban long jai jai no Namar ka Sorkar kala Pynsangeh ia ke election MDC sya Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kebela bu ban long ha ka shipotrik yoyong arjar arpun rio tat hado bandepen benada kumui pan. Ubak Prestone tensong ulang bah hapadang kejing sangya ia ke election ke Sorkar jelakan kot ia kejing yalang ia merjing mud bat ki badan benta ban weng ia kini kejing shu ulang baka office NPP hatura ka syak thang bat ka long kaman hi kampat long ke bajai-jai hadu menta.
As you all aware the condition and the situation that we have in Garo Hills is very grim. In spite of the fact that we are trying our best from the government side to make sure that the law and order is completely peaceful and under control. However, getting the reports and the inputs from all angles, ultimately we decided to postpone the general election to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, which is supposed to be held on the 10th of April 2026. So this is the decision we are taking, and tomorrow again we have decided to have a cabinet meeting in the evening at 5 o'clock to further discuss about the future course of action from the government side. While speaking to all of you, is still not that conducive, but I would like to only tell the residents of Garo Hills through all of you, I would request all of them to be cool and calm, since the government has taken a decision to postpone the election. So during the postponement, I would like to call all the stakeholders, come forward, let us share your concerns. We would like to know their views, their concerns, and the issues before them. And we are ready for further deliberation and discussion with all of them. So from the government side, I would once again request all the concerned NGOs as well as the residents of Garo Hills, both tribal and non-tribal, to kindly calm down, and as I said to you, let us again make sure that law and order is again back to normalcy. In fact, the incidents that has happened, not only today, since yesterday or day before yesterday, is very unfortunate, including the party office in Tura that were being attacked. So again, I would like to express our discontentment with the incidents that happened, and I would again request all the citizens of the Garo Hills in particular to kindly calm down, and again any issues that you have in your mind, we are open for discussion.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.